наконец-то.
I think, Mom, это мы мне большие танки for.
О, да.
The next train arriving on track 1 is going to JFK Airport, stopping at Federal Circle for hotel shuttles and rental cars, and all airline terminals. Please take your belongings. We are arriving at Federal Circle for hotel shuttles and rental cars. This is the Howard Beach train, stopping at all airline terminals. This train on track 1 is the Howard Beach. Please stand clear. The doors are closing. Please hold on. This is the Howard
Top of that, as much work as them people put on my knee just to get right off the main car road. Like, you feel me? Like, I'm gonna go over there, show my face at the funeral.
We are arriving at
That's what we
Terminal
do.
1.
I've said money. That's how I
Look
feel.
around and please take all your belongings.
Oh, so we can jail, this, that, this, and that, surgery. Like, whatever. Like, you need to pay your bills to the church. What up? I said, who can you hit up to pay your daily bill, boy? You can't hit me
This is the Howard Beach train,
You feel
stopping
me?
at
Like,
airline
that nigga
terminal 4,
he had a support system,
7 to 8,
but the nigga was very used like
Olympic
us. You know
Boulevard
what I'm
and
saying?
Howard
Like, I
Beach.
ain't doing none of this.
Thank you
He
for
ain't
riding
staying no
your
business,
train.
bro.
Our
That's how I
next
feel
stop
like.
will be
He never
Terminal
stole no
4.
business, bro. I feel like I was there for you more than mine, bro. Real shit. My fault, bro. This connection is stupid.
We are arriving at Terminal 4. Stop. Look around and please take all your belongings. This train on track 1 is a Howard Beach train, stopping at airline terminal 5. Attention all passengers. Please hold on to your children and your luggage, especially on crowded trains and platforms. Don't leave anyone or anything behind. Attention passengers. Are you traveling with a group of 4 persons? Buy a 10-trip Metro card at Howard Beach or Jamaica Station. It costs $26.50. You will still have 6 remaining for 30 days.
О, один вагон всего. Арсен, туда.
Ага.
Народу немного.
Туда. Инга.
Теперь нам это только на этот. На самолет, когда на посадку.
Сюда.
Какой у нас
А4.
4?
Да.
Тут прям рядом.
Bueno, acá había sandwich Palo Santo.
Welcome to Terminal 4 at John F. Kennedy International Airport. For security reasons, please keep your luggage with you at all times. Unattended luggage will be removed for inspection and may be destroyed.
Франкфурт. О, Virgin Atlantic. Вот он наш Singapore Airlines. Duty free.
Пиздец, видишь. Туда все нормально снять.
Coming through, coming through.
Coming through.
Sorry, repeat.
32 Romeo is 7659.
How are you today? Allow me. Thank you. Yes, J, A.
Thank you.
To the right, please.
Okay.
Enjoy the flight.
Thank you. Thank you.
Иди туда, туда, иди. 58, 57.
Прямо, прямо. Ну. Хай. 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 Hi. Thank you. Но.
50. Вот. Вот тут.
Угу.
А ты туда, здесь. Ну иди вперед.
Вперед.
Ну как JFK хватит?
Да.
Place your hands on top of your head. Keep your feet flat on the floor and heels towards your seat. If you can't reach the seat in front of you, lower your head and lean forward as far as you can. Place your hands on top of your head. In an emergency evacuation, floor level lighting will lead you to your nearest exit. Before using an evacuation slide, remove any high-heeled shoes and be sure to leave everything behind. To put on your life vest, remove it from the plastic cover and slip it over your head. Pass the straps around your waist, connect the clip, and pull to tighten. Inflate the life vest by pulling the red tabs or blowing into the mouthpiece. Life vests have a whistle and a light to attract attention. Special life vests are available for children. Inflate your life vest only at the exit door and step into the raft. Life vests are located under or between your seats. All large electronic devices, such as laptops, must be stowed for taxi, takeoff, and landing. During these times, charging your electronic devices is also not allowed. If you're not using your device, it must be held in your hand or placed in the seat pocket in front of you. If your device drops into the gap between the seats, refrain from adjusting the seat and ask the cabin crew for assistance. We remind you that this is a non-smoking flight. Smoking, including the charging and use of e-cigarettes, is prohibited throughout the aircraft, including the lavatories. Thank you for your attention. Refer to the safety card located in the seat pocket in front of you for more information. On behalf of Singapore Airlines, we hope you have a great time on board as well as in Singapore or anywhere else in the world we take you.
Bye.
Thank you, bye.
Auf Wiedersehen. Oops. Thank you. Bye. Bye.
See you. Goodbye.
Bye.
Sir.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Can expect a little bit better.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. О. Свежо. Germany.
Почувствуй запах твоих предков.
Да.
Okay, dann verbinde ich mal mich mit dem Airport wieder, mit dem Fraport.
Так, Зоя, не потеряйся.
Ja, I guess.
Куда нам дальше?
Last they're going to Singapore? Singapore, right? Straight ahead to get
Okay.
Connecting flight?
Yeah.
Where? Singapore. To Singapore. To my home.
Uh-huh.
Connecting flight?
Singapore.
Yeah. Yeah.
So Ausgang oben bitte, Exit aufstellen.
Yeah.
Our gate is B48. Same gate for boarding, yeah?
Uh-huh.
Okay, welcome to Frankfurt. Just
Thank you.
let's return and come back.
Thank you.
48, это 88.
That's same gate. Ага.
Na, wir können ja hier schon mal
Идем.
Яго!
О. Да. Ага. Да. Тут нету. А вот.